Welcome to Macaw Art Design Studio, now open at Sompura Gate near Sarjapura, Bangalore. At Macaw, we believe that art is much more than an expression of creativity on canvas. Drawing and painting lay the foundation for many professional fields, from architectural design to fashion, automotive, product innovation, advertising, and beyond. When it comes to expressing ideas and brainstorming concepts, nothing captures our vision quite like putting pencil to paper. Our focus is on building a strong foundation in essential drawing principles. From there, we offer specialized and advanced courses designed to empower our students to make informed creative decisions confidently. Our goal is to prepare the next generation of creators with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. To learn more or enroll in our courses, visit us at Sompura Gate, Sarjapura. We can't wait to help you bring your creative vision to life.